Hello, little artist. Today we're going to learn how to draw a simple cartoon cat. Ms.Blerta is gonna instruct you step by step how to do it. Follow this easy how to draw a cat step by step and you will be finishing up your cat drawing in no time. With just a few simple steps to follow, you will learn how to draw a cute cartoon cat, one that can be quickly drawn by you. Pets are awesome, it's a fact. Well, other animals too. What's important? Children love them. Do you? Let's start. What do you need? You would need a pencil or a marker, paper, and coloring supplies optional. Step number 1. Start by drawing an oval shape for the head of your cat. Make the oval as big as you like. Step number 2. Draw 2 pointy ears and a triangle for the nose. Step number 3. Let's make the cat face. Draw 2 similar triangles inside the ears. Make 2 spots for the eyes. And next, let's draw the mouth. Start by drawing short straight lines from the bottom of the nose downwards. Starting next to this line on the left, draw the mouth curve, bring it down and up again to meet the line you made under the nose. Continue with another curve. Draw one more curve in below the 2 curves in the middle. So then, here you go. The mouth is completed. Let's draw the body. And the most important, do not forget the whiskers. Draw the feet. Start with the front ones. Use the U-shape letter, but make it long enough. The legs on the back are optional, but I do think they can complete the picture. Make simple shape paws, first the front and then the back ones. Almost done! Just a few more details left, like claws, the line that completes the belly and a tail. Congratulations! You have just learned how to draw a cat. Now, here is the most fun part, coloring in. There are many ways you can color your cat drawing. Choose your favorite colors and happy drawings. Bye bye. See you next time.